Pour les étudiants, on fait dark red. Yeah, the heart is good. No, the heart is perfect. Just the legs are. It's a Friday, so the legs are.
Oh, yes. Would you like me to put a little strap on it? Like a little picnic bag? Oh, that's awesome.
Wait, as I was saying, I had this belt for 8 years. Yeah.
I know it's a little bit better.
Yeah.
What size?
Okay. Well then, yeah, just plan.
And I'll remember you that today is not really so I flew all the way down to Pasadena.
It's gonna be a really different production.
I can't wait. I'm so excited. Like I keep asking my dad, I'm like, you're gonna like your play is gonna be on another level.
Well, it's not gonna be for the set because we have to do a major set.
No, of course.
It's like
Yeah.
a major set.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's funny. Top delays that thank you. Have to get closer.
Oh, that's a pretty cool one.
One ornament. That's protected. It's going to be like that.
Pink. He's pink. He's not white, he's pink. Listen, this is kind of like, this is kind of like brownish white. This is pink.
Move on to the way. There it is. Move on to the way.
Oh yeah, it looks
Good.
you're on white dude for sure. Okay.
Alright, I'll see you guys later.
Bye man.
I'll see you later.
Bye. Good luck today, John.
You too.
Are you working in Brad later or not? Or is just for
products, but
Good luck to both.
absolutely.
See you later, Joe.
Yeah, I think that Miss Papa.
Yeah, it's a great gift.
And it was like stressful because Nat had to like read.
What is it you don't say, our graduating?
And also our spindles too. Everything you see here is designed and made by us. You take New Jersey with good source from spindles.
It's going to be better.
I think we bought like a great history of comic book or something. Yeah.
I was gonna come back here after.
Yeah, because one lady had to bring a card and she wanted to have, she had to insert it and then she had to sign it. And then the top of sheets of return. Yeah, well, this has to be, keep this for tomorrow. Yeah. So please stay. We promise we're
Okay, yeah, sounds good. I looked at it.
No, we're working as long as These come from
If you're asking close to the
Trees can be like 1,000 years old.
Ganzkörper. Das habt ihr doch mal.
Did you hear what Mackenzie said? She needed that. Her heart's swelling. She's not having a sick day. I know it's gonna not be who I think it is. You want a plastic bag? Well, I think it's gonna be more costly. I do feel like.
I don't know. Okay, let's see. I don't even actually know.
Like a theater. They usually, but they don't have like do you have like the playbill ornament? Playbill? No, because I've seen it. I've seen it in the car. Yeah. It's like the Broadway plays, and it's like the book that.
Doing good, brother. Everything's all right.
Why did Charles have to go this way? You didn't shake in the room. Oh my god, you guys
Just to remind you.
I mean, it's just, I came into a delivery, so I have to, it's well-oiled machine in here. So if this is crazy, like if you had taken the time, especially if you're not busy, which she said you were lonely and it's slow, so you take the time, you throw a couple candles in and you start using it. You can touch it out.
I just
Say sorry.
yeah, start over with the start.
You found stuff?